Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have brought you a new exciting project known as Alpha Bears. So let's move on guys and check the website. Here you can see home, about, roadmap, NFT and other information like access to DAO. The website seems very smooth. Here it is talking about the NFT utility. So these are unique collection of NFT bears on Sui blockchain. Talks about access to DAO. By having these NFT, you will get access to DAO. You will get exclusive merc, which will again having a play in the revenue system. And there is a staking and buyout system. Buyout system is very unique, and I will talk about it later in the video. Now let's do some more research in the website itself. So here you can see some sneak peeks of these NFTs. These look like very unique, cute little bears. And guys, they are very less in numbers, only 1111. So I will say you that go through this. They are currently at stage 2. They have a launch pad. They have a very active team. The team is anonymous, and as is the case in most of the crypto projects currently on Sui blockchain, which is soon going to launch. So they have huge partnership throughout the ecosystem. They are having huge partnership with a lot of brands and partner NFTs and NFT marketplaces. So all in all, it seems to be a good project, but guys, do your own research. This is not an investment activity. I am not a financial advisor. So let's move on to Twitter. Okay, so here you can see they are having a blue tick, so they are verified. So there is some credibility to the team. Now we would be moving from here to Discord. Guys, I am sharing you this project because they are having a huge amount of activities on Crew 3 on Twitter, and daily games and activities by which they are giving you whitelists. Here you can see the Discord. Here you should join the Discord. The link would be shared by me in description. Here you can see the roles: bear list, early and OG. These roles are given to active community members. Again, here in the Discord itself, you can see a lot of giveaways are being done. Buying these NFTs is not going to be easy. You need to grind, work for it. Then you will get whitelist and you can participate in the pre-sale. Since the number is very less, on top of it, they would be rewarding the community members with their in ecosystem NFT token, that is ABS. So again, moving on to the website, we will be looking into some other aspects, especially in Gitbook. So I just scrolled through the website once more, and I'll move on to Gitbook. I guess it should be accessible from Discord itself. In Discord channel, there is links. You should only probe links from Discord channel, because there are lots of scams going on which will try to fish you out, but don't trust them, and only via verified Discord channel go to any external links, not any emails, no direct messages. So here are the links in the channel, official links. From there you can go on to do any task. So I am going to Gitbook to see the docs. So there they tell that these are first unique collection of NFT bears on Sui blockchain. Personally, Sui is very fast. It's right now in testnet. So their main idea is to introduce NFT to everybody and show that it is more than just JPEGs. So they are planning to develop a DAO, and some more. I'll talk about the tokenomics of ABS token. So you can see here total supply is 100 million, out of which 50% would be for community. So there you go guys. So a lot of tasks are going on, so it would be distributed to the community in various ways. And second is holder airdrop is 15%, means if you hold one of these 1000 plus NFTs, then you will be eligible to get ABS tokens automatically. Okay, so let's move on guys. Next to utility. So one utility I have already told you is DAO. Second is exclusive merch which they will be delivering. Third is staking these NFTs to get some passive income, and the main is the buyout system. What your team will do, that they will sweep the floor. That means the lowest NFTs, 7 NFTs would be swept from the marketplace, and it would be distributed to members who are active. So they would be selecting winners in NFT giveaways or some active members of Crew 3. In another video I will talk about Crew 3 platforms and how it is done. So these tasks guys are almost free, and you can also earn by completing this task. So it's free money basically, but again I will say that do your own research. This is not a financial advice. I am telling you only what I am doing, and I see an opportunity on Sui blockchain right now, with whose mainnet will launch soon, and hence I am recommending NFT projects accordingly. Okay, so moving on guys, again I will show you the link. So and repeat that from here only you should join and explore and do your research. So thank you guys. I hope that you would like these projects. See the description, like, share, comment. Thank you.